C&N Hongchong Pipe Fittings Limited specialized in FBE and liquid epoxy coating for pipe, fitting and flange. Normally steel surfaces for indoor installation shall be coated with a zinc epoxy primer with a DFT of 80 m and 2 or 3 coats of an epoxy high solid paint. The total DFT shall be 220 m. Steel surfaces for outdoor installation shall be coated with a zinc epoxy primer with a DFT of 80 m and 2 coats of an epoxy high solid paint of 55 m each. Additionally, a 2-component polyurethane finish of 50 m DFT shall be supplied. The total DFT shall be 240 m. Normally these 3 type of coating material we are using include material data for Tankguard 412 JOTUN BARRIER 77 PENGUARD MIDCOAT JOTUN HARDTOP XP. Tankguard 412 is a 2-component solvent-free polyamine cured epoxy coating. It is a general-purpose tank lining with good chemical resistance. Can be used as primer, mid-coat or finish coat in atmospheric and immersed environments. Suitable for properly prepared carbon steel, galvanized steel, stainless steel and concrete substrates. Welcome. Visit our TikTok, YouTube and website www.cnpipefitting.com for more information.